Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very well. Today guys I have shared with you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Keep watching and more fantastic and elegant designs, and this video is all about the gardens home decorations designs ideas. Home decorations design ideas we are uploaded for you, and many videos and many designs and different patterns we are uploaded for you. This is so amazing and gorgeous videos. You like more fantastic elegant designs. I hope you like more decorations designs. You like more fantastic designs and amazing ideas, amazing videos. This is so amazing and different home decorations designs ideas for different patterns like home decorations plants, like different bedroom decorations designs and different patterns available in this channel, and amazing fantastic videos. You like more fantastic ideas, keep watching us videos and stay connected with my channel, and amazing fantastic designs we are uploaded for you. And I hope you found this video. I really uploaded for you. This is so amazing designs ideas for home decorations designs ideas we are uploaded for you. Keep watching us videos and more fantastic designs. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification for more fantastic and elegant designs, and different patterns are available in this channel. May Allah Almighty keep loving, keep smiling, keep sharing in the same way. Ameen. So thanks for watching our videos. Thanks once again. And different patterns are more fantastic designs for different types of decorations and birthday decorations like balcony makeover gardens. So totally designs for related gardens and balcony. So I will keep more fantastic designs. So thanks for watching our videos. Thanks once again. Take care yourself.